Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin Tutorial for Beginner. Today I will show the Kotlin type conversation example. In Kotlin, a numeric value of one type is not automatically convert to another type even when the other type is larger. This is the different from how Java handle numeric conversion. So Java example, Java Java example of type conversion integer number 1 is equal to 55 and long number 2 equal to number 1. So this is the Java conversion Java this is the Java example of type conversion. Integer number 1 is 55 and it assigned to the number 1 to number 2. The value of number 1 is type integer, automatically convert to type long and assign to the number 2 value. In Kotlin, value number 1 integer equal to 55, value number 2 is long type equal to number 1. So Kotlin here is just showing the type mismatch, required long type and found is integer. So our first variable is the integer type and is value is 55 and second variable is the long type. So when we try to assign the integer to long, it's showing the type mismatch. So how we can convert integer to long? So you need to the conversion method to long. When we will set the number one's dot too long, then it's convert to the long data type, and then it's number 2. So now we can print number 2. So here is the showing the number 2 is the long type. So there are a list of function of Kotlin use the type conversation. Suppose two byte, two short, two int, two long, two float, two double, two character. There is no conversation for boolean type. So now we will show the conversion from larger to smaller type. Suppose number 3 equal to integer and value is 5 4 5 344. This is the integer data type, and val is equal to number 4 is byte. So how we can assign integer to byte? Integer is larger data type and byte is smaller data type. So how we can convert integer to byte? So number 3 dot to 2 byte. So it's automatically number 2 byte converted. Now we can print the number for. So here is the showing the 64 integer 545344 convert to the byte is 64. Also check out this type of conversion, suppose string to integer and integer to string conversion, long to integer and long to integer to long conversion, double to integer and integer to double conversion, long to double, double to long, character to integer and integer to character, string to long and long to string conversion. So here is the Kotlin type conversation, how we can convert one data type to another data type. There are too many conversion option for this. If we want to support one data type to another, then it has a built-in method to conversation. Suppose here we show the integer to long, convert the data type, then we have used the too long. Here is the conversion method: 2 byte, 2 short, 2 integer, 2 long, 2 float, 2 double, 2 character. Thank you so much.